Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video I am going to show you how to get completed items from work queue. So here you can see we have total 21 work queue items which is available in this work queue. Now if we want to just get all the queue items which have been marked as a completed, right? So how can we do that? So I am going to show you that things. In the previous video I shown you how to get only exception items. Now I am going to show you how to get completed items. So as per this work queue we have 10 items which have been completed and marked as completed. So here let me delete this one and take one action stage, double click on that, select work queues from the internal business object and select get completed items. Now in the inputs in the queue name we can pass that queue name. So we have one environment variables. Let me drag and drop here. So in this environment we have queue name added, that is Centrix data solution underscore queue. And now here we have options: start date, end date, key filter, tag filter, maximum rows. Maximum rows means if we have 100 completed items available in the work queue and you just want to get 50 records, so you can just put here 50 records like that. And here you can enter the date range between the start date and end date. So based on that date range you will able to get completed items. If you will not put anything, it will just give you all the completed items from this queue, and it will be stored in this completed item collection. Just click on this, so it will create that completed item here, and it will have all the item IDs stored in that collection. Now click OK. This is the collection. Link this one, reset, refresh, right click, set next stage, and you will see here we have 1 of 10. It means we have 10 item IDs which have been marked as a completed in work queues, right? So by this way we can get all the completed items. Here also you can enter the dates so that you can only get completed items between that given date range. So let's say we need only 5 rows here, so I am going to maximum 5, and here you can enter date range, like I am going to put here 1st of January 2022, and end date I am going to take till, let's say I am going to put here 6, because if I will put here 5, might be that will not give us the data because our date and time is different in that completed one. So let's try 5. If it is taking the current date and time, so that's good. 5/1/2022. Now click OK, and we should get here 5 records. Okay, so we are not getting, so because that is the problem. So let me put here 6. Now click OK, refresh, right click, set next stage, and now we have 5 records which is available between that date range, and we are using 5 maximum rows, that's why we are getting just 5 rows. If we will remove that one, so we will get all the data that is available in the queue. Let me set next stage, and you can see here now we have 1 of 10. So by this way you can get completed queue items, and you can work on that, you can create a clone of that, or you can do whatever you want to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you.